Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Make less mistakes. Warren Buffett has 2 rules around money. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. That's real, by the way, okay? Which I think is 2 of the coolest rules. Keith Cunningham asks, how much more money would you have if you only made half the mistakes you made in your business? What if you made almost none of them, especially the big ones? So I applaud you all because you're in this very room to learn more than the current version of you already knows. So you can avoid making the mistakes that the current version of you would inevitably have made if you didn't know these things. Now, we all make mistakes. It's going to happen. We just want to make less of them faster. You and I, we both go to stuff like this. I was just at my version of this 2 weeks ago in Dallas. I was in a room just like this, learning my level of stuff and my business, right? But we do this, we join groups like this, because we know that the cost of flight, the group, all that stuff is just a mere rounding error to the cost of not knowing this stuff when it comes to the mistakes and what the mistakes cost, or worse, what you could have made, what you didn't make because the other guy knew it and you didn't. Does that make sense? So with that, I know that I'm in the right room because I like being around people that like this stuff. Honestly, I really do like being this way. One of the things I told my wife is, you know, it's kind of cool because I'm building a circle of friends that I want to be around. I already know the truth. You are who you hang out with. So how about this? I'm just going to make my friends be the kind of person I want to be. That's it. If I could just make more people around me the person I want to be, then technically I'm going to become the guy I want to be too. Can you guys make sense of that?